So that's it?
I think it has been it for a long time.
Don't walk away and make it sound like this just happened on its own.
It didn't happen on its own.
Then explain it to me, because none of this makes sense.
It doesn't make sense to you because every time I tried to explain something that hurt me, you turned it into something I did wrong.
That's not true.
See? That's exactly what I'm talking about.
You're breaking up with me because we argue?
No,
Then why?
because the red flags never went away.
Red flags?
Right about everything, Emma. Every little thing turns into an argument. We're like cat and dog.
Couples argue.
Not like this. We're not even married yet. And whenever things get hard, you shut down. You disappear emotionally. I never know where I stand with you.
I just needed space.
Maybe. But it always felt like I was fighting for this relationship alone. I never felt like you were fully transparent with me. And every fight ended the same way. I'd tell you how I felt. Somehow I'd end up apologizing.
That's because you're not perfect either.
I never said I was.
Then why am I the villain? And why do you want to walk away? I love you.
Because love isn't supposed to feel like survival. You're not a bad person.
We're just bad together.
Sometimes when you ignore red flags, you end up in chaos. All right? There's a saying that goes, a broken relationship is better than a broken marriage. That short clips you just watched was created with AI by me, of course, and I want to know what you think about it.